Everyone can hear me? Everyone শুনা পাই আছা? Everyone can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
Okay. আমি স্লাইডত যাওঁ আৰু কোনোবা আহিব বাকী আছে নেকি? Anybody left? Okay. Okay. Today we will complete this experiment. Okay. True goals. All of you have the all of you can remember the aim, no? Sabore aim to monot ase ne? Everyone can remember the aim. Okay. Aim was to measure the diameter of a given wire and find its cross-sectional area with the help of screw gauge. Okay, that was the aim of the experiment, and this is the theory. Okay, I will send this PDF to this group. Okay, after completing the class. There. Okay, this is the theory and a quick recap of last class. Okay, last class में क्या हुआ था? What was that means about the pitch. Okay, what was pitch? It was distance moved by the screw divided by number of full rotation. That means complete rotation. Okay, what was that? If you rotate the thimble, okay, if you rotate the thimble will move towards the zero. Thimble to rotate কৰিলে থাম্বেলটো আগুৱা পিছুৱা কৰিব উইথ দ্য স্পিন্ডেলটো আগুৱা পিছুৱা কৰিব আৰু থাম্বেলটো আগুৱা পিছুৱা কৰিব স্লিপটো একে জেগাত ৰখি থাকিব স্লিপৰ ওপৰেদি থাম্বেলটো আগুৱা পিছুৱা কৰিব the thumble will move towards the zero or spindle will also move towards anvil. Clear? Next, list count. What we have to do, we have to put speeds here. Whatever we have calculated earlier, this one, 1 mm, okay. Then, total number of circular divisions of the circular scale. That means, you have to see the divisions here, okay. The right one, this one is 100 division, this one has 100 division, this one has 45, and further you go, then you will get 50 divisions. Okay, some of the instrument may have 50 division or 100 division or 200 division. You have to see that. Okay, তোমালোকৰ দুটা তিনটা টাইপৰ ঠিক আছে দুটা তিনটা টাইপৰ স্ক্ৰু গজ পাবা য'ত কেতিয়াবা 50 ডিভিজন থাকিব কেতিয়াবা 100 ডিভিজন থাকিব ওকে সেইটো একৰ্ডিংলি তুমি ইয়াতে বহাই দিবা মানে ডিভিডেন্টত বহাই দিবা বস্তুটো আৰু ডিসকাউন্টটো ক্যালকুলেট কৰি লবা ওকে ফার্স্ট অফ অল put the pits in the numerator and the total number of division of the circular scale, put put the number of division in the denominator. Then calculate. Suppose I am considering the 100 division. Suppose I am considering 100 division. Okay. Then we have to put here 100. Okay, that was list count. Next, zero error. Okay, what was the zero error? Zero error was, see, how to calculate error. Okay, first of all, we have to rotate the thimble. Then spindle will move in the left side and touch the anvil. Okay, after it getting tight, then we have to see this image. Then only we have to calculate error. যেতিয়া আমি থাম্বনেলটো ঘূৰাই থাকিম, ঠিক আছে, যেতিয়া আমি থাম্বনেলটো ঘূৰাই থাকিম, তেতিয়া এই স্পিন্ডেলটো আহি আহি এনভিলত টাচ কৰিব আৰু টাইট হৈ যাব। তেতিয়া আমি এই ইমেজটো চাব লাগিব, লাইক whether the zero is, whether the zero of the circular scale touches in the zero of linear scale. Linear scale or zero or circular scale or zero যদি coincide করে বা touch করে, there will be no error. That means the instrument is perfect. Okay. Second case, if the zero is about to reach the zero of linear scale, if the zero of circular scale is about to reach the zero of linear scale, then in that case the error will be positive. Clear? যেতিয়া জিৰোটো জাষ্ট পাবলৈ ধৰিছে আৰু লিনিয়াৰ স্কেলৰ জিৰোটো পাব আৰু সেইখিনি জায়গাতে টাইট হৈ গ'ল আৰু আগত নাযায়। ওকে, ইন that case জিৰো এৰৰটো পজিটিভ হ'ব। থাৰ্ড কেছ, if the zero of the circular scale crosses the zero of linear scale, okay, if the zero of the circular scale crosses the zero of linear scale, then it will be negative error. যদি সার্কুলার স্কেলৰ জিৰোটো ক্ৰছ কৰি আগত গুচি যায়, মানে লিনিয়াৰ স্কেলৰ জিৰোৰ যিটো ৰেফাৰেঞ্চ লাইন, এইটো ৰেফাৰেঞ্চ লাইন বুলি কয়। জিৰোৰ যিটো লাইন মানে মেইন স্কেল দ্বাৰা ৰেফাৰেঞ্চ লাইন বুলি কয়। সেই লাইনডাল ক্ৰছ কৰি আগলৈ গুচি যায়, সেইটো থাৰ্ড ইমেজটোত চালে গম পাবা, আগলৈ গুচি যায়, তেতিয়া সেইটোক নেগেটিভ এৰৰ বুলি কোৱা হয়। ঠিক আছে, এৰৰ বুজিলা? দিস ইজ দ্য ৰিকেপ অফ last class. Okay, in the section procedure, we will get to know how to perform the experiment. First one, find the value of one linear scale division. Okay, LSD, linear scale, main scale, whatever. Determine and record the pitch and list count of the screw rolls, which we have done earlier. This one, pitch and list count, we have to find it earlier. In the section observation section, we have to find these two things. Okay, understood? বুজি পাইছা নে সবে? Everyone understood? Okay, pitch আৰু list count observation sectionত আমি complete কৰি লম। Next, third point, to find the zero error, bring the plane phase B and A near. Repeat and record this. Repeat and record this for 3 times. Repeat and record this for 3 times. That means we have already learned how to calculate the error of the instrument. See, you may get a defective instrument also, but with that instrument you have to measure it correctly. For that, the error calculation is mandatory. তুমি কেতিয়াবা error থাকা ইনষ্ট্ৰুমেণ্ট পাব পাৰা, ঠিক আছে। এৰৰ থকা ইনষ্ট্ৰুমেণ্ট পালে এৰৰটো উলিয়াই পেলাই আমি কেলকুলেট কৰিব লাগিব, যিটোক আমি ডায়ামিটাৰে ওলাওঁ বা যিয়ে ওলাওঁ। এৰৰটো ফাৰ্ষ্টত ওলাই ল'ব লাগিব, বিকজ যদি ইনষ্ট্ৰুমেণ্টটো এৰৰ আছে তেতিয়াহ'লে ৰিজাল্টটো ভুল আহিব, ঠিক আছে। অ'কে, third step is done. Then fourth step, move the phase B away from phase A, which is a Richard head R. Move the phase A towards the B, likewise, and stop when R turns without moving the screw. That means কি কৰিব লাগিব চাবা, ইয়াতে যে এৰ'টো পাইছা, এৰ' দেখা পাইছা, ঠিক আছে। এই এৰ'টোত যিহৰে ডায়ামিটাৰ ওলাওঁ আমি সেইটো ৱায়াৰটো সোমোৱাই দিম, ঠিক আছে। সোমোৱাই পেলাই যিটো ৰিচেট আছে, ঠিক আছে, সেইটো লাষ্টত এইটো পাৰ্টত ঘূৰাম, ঠিক আছে। এইটো পাৰ্ট ঘূৰোৱা মানে চিম্বলো ঘূৰোৱা, একে কথা, ঠিক আছে। চিম্বলত ধৰি আমি নুঘূৰাওঁ, ইয়াতে ধৰি লাষ্ট পাৰ্টত ধৰি ঘূৰাম, ঠিক আছে। ত' ঘূৰাৰ পিছত যেতিয়া টাইট হৈ যাব, ঠিক আছে, তেতিয়া এৰি দিম। We have to put the wire here in this arrow portion, okay. Then we have to rotate the whistle, okay. Then it will make a sound, okay. After making sound, you will get to know that it is tight enough to measure. It will get tight, okay. It's just simple thing. See, it's just spindle is moving towards the anvil, okay. After that, it will get tight at one moment, okay. Up to this, we have to rotate the whistle, okay. Next, number 5, linear scale reading. That is main scale reading, whatever you can say. Okay, linear scale or main scale is recorded by noting down the number of visible and uncovered divisions of linear scale. You can see this image. In this image, see how many lines you can see here. In the uppercase 2, after 2 there is one more line in the lower one. That means it will be 2.5. Clear? Keta uncovered মানে টাইট হৈ যোৱাৰ পিছত, তাতে টাইট হোৱাৰ পিছত কিমানটা uncovered lines দেখা পাবা মেইন স্কেলত, okay. সেইটো চাব লাগিব আৰু আমি ৰেকৰ্ড কৰিব লাগিব, ঠিক আছে। We have to see this and we have to record in the table. Number 6. Let n be the number of divisions of circular scale lying on the reference line. N be the number of divisions of circular scale lying on the reference line. That means reference line means this line. Sorry, just a moment. This one. The main scale is a reference line. Okay. Which division it has touched in this image? See, this one is 35, next one 36, 37, 38. 38 number line is coincide with the reference line or the linear scale. That means the circular scale reading will be 38. Okay. Next, To measure the diameter in a perpendicular direction, repeat step 5, 6 by rotating the wire to 90 degrees. That means, suppose we are measuring the wire in a in a position like in one end. Suppose in one end we are measuring the wire diameter of the wire. Okay, we have to move it by 90 degrees to get an accurate result. Okay, we have to take uh, 3 4 measurements for diameter to make it accurate. Okay, that means if suppose in the one end in one end we have taken the measurement, then take a measurement in the other end, and next in the middle one. Okay, that means তোমালোকে বিভিন্ন জেগাত ৰিডিং ল'ব লাগে। এটা এণ্ডত তুমি ল'লা, ছেকেণ্ড নেক্সট এণ্ডটোত এটা ল'লা, মিডিলত এটা ল'লা, 1/3 এটা ল'লা, 2/3 এটা ল'লা। ঠিক আছে, ক্লিয়াৰ? আৰু এবাৰ ৰিডিং লৈ 90 ডিগ্ৰীত ঘূৰাই পেলাই আকৌ ৰিডিং ল'ব লাগে। ৱায়াৰডাল 90 ডিগ্ৰীত ঘূৰাই পেলাই আকৌ ল'ব লাগে। ঠিক আছে, ডিফাৰেণ্ট প্লেচেছ ডিফাৰেণ্ট এংগেল আছে। ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া একুৰেট ওলাব। Find the total reading and also zero correction. আচ্ছা, total reading টো ওলোৱাৰ পিছত আমি এৰৰটো পজিটিভ নে নেগেটিভ চাই ল'ব লাগিব আগতে। চাই পেলাই সেই ৰিডিংটোৰ লগত প্লাছ বা মাইনাছ কৰিব লাগিব। পজিটিভ এৰৰ থাকিলে পজিটিভ, নেগেটিভ এৰৰ থাকিলে নেগেটিভ, আৰু জিৰ' এৰৰ থাকিলে একো কৰিব নালাগে। ঠিক আছে, টেক দ্য মিন অফ ডিফাৰেণ্ট ভেলুজ অফ ডায়ামিটাৰ। আচ্ছা, 5টা ৰিডিং ল'লো, ছাপোজ 6টা ৰিডিং ল'লে কোনোবাই। ঠিক আছে, আফটাৰ ডেট কি কৰিব লাগিব, মিন ল'ব লাগিব তাৰ, কাৰণ আমাক এটাহে মিন লাগিব, মানে এটাহে ভেলু লাগিব ডায়ামিটাৰৰ, 6টা 7টা নালাগে নহয়। ফৰ একুৰেচি আমি 6টা 7টা কৰিছোঁ। Number 10, take the mean of different values of diameter. That means we have to take the mean, because we have already measured for 5 or 6 times. Okay, if somebody is doing 6 times the measurement, then we have to divide it by 6, or someone who took 5 measurements, they have to do divided by 5. They have to divide the reading by 5. After adding all these 5, we have to divide it by 5. Next, using a half meter scale, measure the length of the wire. Repeat the step 3 times and record the reading. Clear? Okay, coming to the table. Using the data. Okay, next, see, this is the area of cross sectional formula. Okay, area of cross section is pi r square. Okay, everyone know the value of pi, 22/7, right? Now see here, suppose after putting the wire like this in this image, see, we have to put the wire like this, and we have to rotate the thimble and get it tight. Okay, after getting it tight, suppose we have to see in the main scale, okay, in the linear scale, how many lines we can see there. 2 lines in the upper head, that means in upper case, that means 2 one line is below, that means 2.5. See, the below line was 0.5. This was 0.5. Next, the upper one will be 1. Next, 1.5. Next 2. Like that, it will go on. Okay. This one is 2. Next one is 2.5. That will be 2.5. Okay. 2.5, and here we have already measured, like it will be 35, sorry, 38. In the table we have how to keep the record. See, main scale reading was 2.5, right? 2.5. Circular scale reading was 38 we got. Okay, now find B. How to calculate? CSR into LC. CSR this one, LC means least count. Least count multiplied by circular scale reading. Do it and tell me. Hello, everyone understood now? Is there any problem? Our problem is to what? Make it fast. See, discount multiplied by CSR. That means what? CSR was 38. Discount was, see, this one is discount. This one is discount. This one is discount. Okay. We have to multiply this one with CSR. LC into CSR. It is written over here. Now tell me. LC into CSR. CSR means this one. This one multiplied by 0.01. Tell me the answer. Yes, 0.38. Next, A plus B. That means this section. This one plus this one. This one plus this one. 2.5 plus 0.38. We have to put it in total. What will be there? What will be there? Tell me. Yes, it is 2.88. Okay. Next, as I'm giving 2.6, 2. Now find here. Tell me for the serial number second. This one. Tell me. Yes, 0.06. Next, total. Yes, it is 2.66. Next one. Then see, I have taken three measurements. Okay. Then what we have to do? What I have to do? We have to add this one, this one, this one. Okay. We have to add these three. Okay. After that, I have to divide it by three because I have taken three measurements. If somebody is taking five measurements, then they have to they have to divide by five. Okay. Now do this. This one plus this one plus this one. Okay, sorry, this one. Add this three total and divide it by three and tell me the mean. That will be the mean. Okay, tell me. First,
2.69.
huh?
2.69.
2.69. Sure.
So 2.68.
2.68. গোটেইকেইটা প্লাছ কৰিছা, প্লাছ কৰি 3 দি ডিভাইড কৰিছা।
Yes, sir. So
2.6.
2.686. 2.6. 2.6866. That's a 2.6.
2.66. So 2.69 হ'ল
2.69, sir.
round off কৰিলে। If you round off, it will be 2.69. Okay. It will be diameter of the wire. Okay. It will be diameter of the wire. To calculate R radius, we have to divide it by 2.
2.
Okay. Then put here. Pi means 22 by 7 and R means we have to divide 2.69 by 2. We will get R and put here. That means pi R square. We have to put R square. Okay. Then next part is result. That means diameter of the wire is this much. And cross-sectional area you will get after calculating. Okay. And precaution. Precautions are the portion you must write in your copy. Okay. Because precaution in the part of precaution you will get to know what you should not do during performing the experiment. These 7 steps you should not do. Okay. Okay. The CR will send me the attendance. Okay. Thank you.